Today, we'll be taking a look at the 8-inch element on this Whirlpool electric range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. On the top here, we have multiple surface elements. We have two 6-inch surface elements as well as two 8-inch surface elements. Now, the element I am going to focus on today is going to be this front 8-inch element. Now, the main reason why you need to do anything with this is if the element is not heating. There are a couple of things that can prevent it from heating. So first, let's go ahead and take the element out by pushing in and lifting up and sliding out on the element. Now, underneath here, we have your terminals. I would do a good visual inspection to make sure they're not burned up. And if you want to, you can put your meter inside, turn on the actual switch, and make sure we're getting 240 volts coming to the element. If you have 240 volts, the next thing you're going to want to do is test the actual element itself. So we'll go ahead and flip it over here. And we're going to use our meter, set it on ohms. I'm going to use an audible tone when testing, so if it has continuity, you should hear a noise. Now, your normal element will range anywhere from 10 to 50 ohms, so that's what we're going to be looking for. This is reading right around 25 ohms, but if it was open, that would mean that the element is bad and needs to be replaced. Let's go ahead and set it to the side. When installing our new element, let's go ahead and slide the plate into position, and then you are going to bring the two back prongs in at an angle, gently push them into the terminals, maneuver the plate so that the arms can sit in, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.